First, we're going to check in with Michelle. She's in Huntington Beach. And Michelle, the storms there are expected to bring some really high surf.
That's right, and you can see that the wind's really kicking up here along the coast. We got dumped on overnight here in Orange County. Now we're waiting for storm number 2, and as you said, all eyes are on the ocean because monster waves, we are told, they're a-coming.
Everything runs out to the ocean, eventually washes out to the ocean. If we don't open these storm drains up, we actually get flooding back on our service road over there, back where our lifeguard headquarters is. Everything tends to back up.
A long channel to direct storm water on the main city beach in Huntington Beach is in place. So is the 15-foot high berm in Seal Beach. Sandbags are stacked next to the Seal Beach pier. All preparations for 2 big storms headed our way that will bring lots of rain and surf nearing 15 feet by Sunday.
I had a bad problem about 7 or 8 years ago when it broke through the berms and it got down here, and it's quite expensive.
The National Weather Service is warning people who live near beaches that coastal erosion and flooding are possible, and the waves are expected to be treacherous.
Bad news is that each storm is progressing and getting stronger in intensity, and also the cumulative effect of the rain coming down is saturating the ground. So you have this one storm, third storm coming in that's going to hit us real hard. You've got the ground already wet and saturated. It's the potential for a lot of urban flooding and also for the swiftwater rescue potential in the Santa Ana River.
The calm between storms meant this 11-year-old from Louisiana was able to wade in the Pacific next to the iconic Huntington Pier. He's shocked at what's coming.
That is insane. I didn't even know that weather could get like that high. Like that's pretty chill, but that's crazy.
And once the storm starts tomorrow, Huntington Beach lifeguards tell me that they may decide to send their marine safety officers home with swiftwater gear, swiftwater boats, because as history tells them, when they get weather like this, there is flooding throughout the city, even in places like the trailer parks. That's the latest live at the Huntington Beach Pier. I'm Michele Gile.